Alright, it's Josh back with another video, man. Make sure you run the likes up because I don't know how this is all gonna go with this instrumental and everything, but make sure you grab your popcorn, your drink, everything like that because this is gonna be a fire video because you already know, like, I'm coming through with the instrumentals. But make sure you like just in case. I'm gonna try to keep this up even if, you know, we don't make no bread off of this, but it's cool. Like, just make sure you run the likes and everything like that because that's not the point. I'm just trying to make sure I make some good content for you guys. But I'm back with another video. This is basically a video on my Torino Pro. We got the Torino Pro 640 Softy. It is going crazy. This clip right here though is like an older video, like me using my Torino a lot, like kind of like back in the day, like a while ago. And then now we're gonna get to the 640. This is a 640 that I just recently copped. The link is going to be in the description, so make sure you go check that out. Click the link in the description, go copy one because it's going to polish your waves. Like if you got waves, like it's going to go crazy. Like 360s or whatever, like it's going to go nice. So make sure you get one of those. In this video, I'm also going to try to talk all the way through because I don't really know how this instrument is going to go. I'm going to try to keep it up. I think I said that, I don't know. But make sure you like and everything. But so we got their brush. The brush go crazy. I did an unboxing video of it. Make sure you like. And also I've been self-cutting, so like, you know, don't flame me too bad, but I've been self-cutting, so I'm learning, so don't trip too hard. Like if you see something that, if you a barber, you know what I'm saying, like we ain't critiquing over here, we just trying to survive during the quarantine. No barber shops is open really where I'm at, so boom, that's how it's gonna go. But anyway, back to the Torino Pro go crazy. This 640, I had this before. I ended up losing the brush though, as I was saying before, but I got it back. I bought another one. It was like, I think my total for this brush was like 26. Link in the description, make sure you go cop. But this brush is very important for all type of wavers. I always say this all the time. I always try to make sure I tell you guys that you guys need all type of brushes, but a soft brush is just what is going to polish your waves and get you to the next step, get you to the next goal so you don't plateau. So with me using this brush, like me just, I want to explain like what I've been experiencing with this brush and like what it has been going on when I've been using it. Honestly, it's just been pretty much a walk in the park. I really can't explain it any other way. It's just been very, very easy for me to lay down my hair, and it's been easy for me to get my waves to shine and go crazy, man. It's just like, if you notice, a lot of the like beginners and intermediates, you know, their waves aren't as laid down, or is not as, you know, it won't get as many likes, is because probably they don't wear the do-rag a lot, maybe that, and then also they don't have a soft brush. So when I tell you to get a soft brush, I'm not saying it just so you can go get one. I can just kind of get you to go buy something to get you off my back. Like I really need y'all to go get that because it's gonna increase your waves. It's gonna make sure you can get waves on the side. And then also too, like if you do want to get 360s later on or 540s, this brush, like the contour of it, if you look at it, it's gonna help you get waves on the side. Like I know a lot of guys struggle with that, like getting waves on the side, but using this brush, I'm gonna get them regardless. Like I know I'm 180 and everything, but I'm going to get them regardless. But I'm still 180. It's just I can't really get a cut right now. But using this brush, I'm going to get 360s if I want to or not, if I like them or not. So that's why I like this brush, because it helps me enforce good habits, and then also is just a really good brush to use on a daily basis. Regardless, it's not too tough and any of that. So also too, what I really wanted to get into was basically self-cutting during the quarantine, man. Like this has been an important thing, very, very important thing to incorporate if you are getting waves. You're probably at some point going to need to get some clippers just so you can control your hair a little bit. And you know what I'm saying? That's kind of why my hair looking kind of crazy, to be honest with y'all, but you really have to be able to trim your hair down. Right now I'm lining up, but like you got to be able to lay it down and make sure your hair isn't as high, because yes, woofing is good, but over woofing is a thing as well. So make sure you stay on top of that. Don't go too crazy. Don't try to do anything too drastic if that's not your style. Like if you're not used to having your hair that high or that long, practice with it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I've been doing. This is a Torino hard brush. I also been using Torino hard brush. That's also been helping me out when my hair is growing long during quarantine. So that's been helping me. Make sure you have a hard brush as well. That's important. But yeah, during the quarantine though, I just been trying to stay afloat, make sure I'm not looking too crazy. You know what I'm saying? We still going out a little bit, not too much. You know, a little Netflix chill, ain't nothing wrong with that. So you know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure your hair looking good. But you know what I'm saying? If you are looking to get better waves and get a little bit more experience, try to practice cutting your hair. You know what I'm saying? Or try to get somebody to help you cut your hair. So it won't be like as bad as mine right now. But you know, that's not the point. Just make sure you try to stay afloat, try new things. It's quarantine. But back to the soft brush, man. The soft brush also has been helping me with, you know, those hairs sticking up. I know a lot of you guys asked me that. I was like, wonder what about the hairs? The hair's been sticking up. My hair stick up so high. Like, I don't know how to lay them down. I'm using grease. It's still not laying down. What to do? And the answer to that is you need a soft brush. Like, you really need a soft brush, man. Like, it's going to help lay down your waves. It's going to help connect. And then I get the curved one. I have the straight and it had a curve, but the curve has helped me on the size of my head. And that's going to help you, man. That's going to help lay down your waves, and you're going to need something to polish them. That's what the soft brush does. That's what I learned through YouTube, like even watching videos that they showed me and helped me realize that the soft brush is going to help lay down, polish, and give you the finished touches on your hair, especially after a cut. But you can use this brush as much as you want. You can go for an hour brush session. You can go for 2 hours. I recommend an hour a day. But it's just not tough on your hair. It's not going to be too tough on your scalp as well. So that's why I really get into it. I try to use it as much as possible. But yeah, try to, you know, use it as much as I can, and using good brush strokes and everything like that, because that's important, man. That's important. That's very, very important. People are going to notice. That's the thing about waves, is like people are going to notice when you slack. Like, people are going to be able to tell, like, especially even if you have waves and stuff like that, people are going to realize that you are not putting in the work that you need to put in. Like, they're going to be like, okay, like, you got to this point, what is next? Even with me making videos, people are like, what's next? Like, what else can you improve on? So that's why I recommend just having a soft brush. A soft brush is going to be the foundation. I won't say the foundation, but it's going to be more of, I would say, the final touch, the finishing touch. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's going to be the polishing, and you're going to need it. You're going to specifically need it, man. Just make sure you have a soft brush. Like, if you don't have a soft brush and you're watching this video, what are you doing at this point? You know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to have to chill on the Fortnite skins and get you a softie. Like, just come on, man. Like, just for real. And this is going to give you the difference that you need. It's going to give you that push, that motivation as well. So that's what I think. That's what I want to give to you guys. And then I also want to tell you guys to trust the process. You know what I'm saying? Like, really trust the process, and watch my older videos as well. Like, as you see before, I was not in the position I'm at now back then. So I really had to trust the process and everything like that. But hold on. We about to get into these clips right here. This is like when my hair was wolfed out and everything like that. But the clarity and how thick it was, the soft brush helped me get to that point. But man, the shine, everything, I just put everything together to make sure I stay consistent. And this is going to be pretty much the outcome. You know, it's going to be a thicker result. You're going to be a lot more knowledgeable on how to get to the next level, how to progress, and everything like that. And 180 waves, you're just really focused on the top, so it's not too much to worry about. But the soft brush will got me to this point right here, like just being able to control like my poofy hair at one point, being able to control like the pattern, being able to control how the shine and all that. Like, soft brush really helped me. And you just gotta wait, man. You gotta trust the process, man. Really trust the process. Keep grinding, keep brushing. Make sure you brush in the mirror. Make sure you brush for an hour. Don't let anybody stop you. Don't let anything get in the way of your brush sessions. You know, don't get lazy. Wear your do-rag. The simple stuff. Some stuff you guys already know. You just gotta incorporate it, and you just gotta do it. And you're gonna enjoy the man. You're gonna enjoy the progress. You're gonna enjoy the ride, man. It's really a learning experience. and it's something you can take with you too. We're just being able to be consistent, keep going with it, don't give up, keep doing what you need to do, and it's gonna come through, man. I'm telling you, you don't understand how many times people will see your ways and realize, like, dang, like, I need to be brushing. Like, they'll see your progress and be like, wow, I really need to get on my stuff because he's getting to the next level, he's doing what he needs to do, and I want to be in that spot too. A lot of people, when they see your ways, if you're doing a good job, you're going to motivate them. You're going to motivate them to keep going. So make sure you are setting the example, especially if you are watching my videos, because we're going to go crazy. We're going to go up. So that's the interview. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, and I'm out.